This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace ball joints on a Jeep Liberty. First, gather all necessary tools, including a ball joint press, a torque wrench, and appropriate sockets. Make sure you have new upper and lower ball joints specific to your vehicle. Safety is paramount, so properly lift and secure your Jeep on sturdy jack stands. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process, preventing potential issues down the line. Now, let's get to removing the old ball joints. Begin by taking off the wheel, then carefully unbolt and secure the brake caliper and rotor. Next, detach the steering knuckle from the suspension components. You'll need to separate the upper and lower ball joint studs from the knuckle. Finally, use your ball joint press to extract the old, worn-out ball joints from their respective locations. Take your time to avoid damaging surrounding parts. With the old joints out, it's time for installation. First, thoroughly clean the bores in the steering knuckle to ensure a proper fit for the new ball joints. Using your ball joint press, carefully press the new upper and lower ball joints into their respective positions. Make sure they are fully seated and correctly oriented. This step is crucial for the longevity and performance of your new components, so double-check your work. To finish up, reassemble all the components you removed earlier, including the steering knuckle, brake rotor, caliper, and wheel. Make sure to tighten all bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque settings for safety and proper function. After completing the entire replacement, it is absolutely essential to get a professional wheel alignment. This ensures correct steering and tire wear. Also, check the description for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.